channel. So welcome back to another episode of Refashion, finally after 3 weeks. So welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about collaboration with Nepali YouTuber Rubina Nakarmi. So she's the one who you saw on the intro of my transformation. So she is Rubina Nakarmi and she has her YouTube channel called Blissful and Blossom, where she keeps on uploading different kind of mukbangs or food challenges or different kind of content. She's a dancer also, she's a choreographer also. So make sure you go check out her channel as well. The link is on the description below or over here as well. So for this collaboration, I transformed her boring dress into an off-shoulder top for her for the summer, and in her channel we have already done a mukbang video together, and also in her another channel we have already done a collaboration where I have danced with her wearing a heel, and she choreographed our overall 1 minute dance in 7 rings. So if you want to go check out, then you can go on her channel called Rubina and Ayush, which is also linked down in the description. So if you are from Rubina's channel Blissful Fam, then I want to welcome you guys in my channel. So this channel is all about fashion and styling tips, and I keep on uploading video on styling tips every Saturday in Nepali version, and then I keep on uploading refashion videos where I keep on transforming old and outdated clothing into something new and trendy. So this is all about sustainable fashion, guys. So if you want to go check out some more of my videos, then check out on my channel, and please make sure you subscribe to my channel as well so that you don't miss on any kind of new and creative ideas. So first of all, I'm gonna lay the dress flat on the ground, and then I'm gonna take off the straps from the dress. Then I'm gonna fold the dress in half and then measure 14 inches from the bottom to the flare. Then I'm gonna mark straight up to the measured point and cut, leaving 0.25 seam allowance. Then I have this bottom remaining part which I'm gonna use for sleeves. So I'm gonna cut the sides of the dress and make it two separate pieces, and then I'm gonna make a sleeve. So this top I'm gonna make is an off-shoulder top. So I'm gonna measure 3 inches down the new neckline and 3 inches from the sides of the dress, and then I'm gonna join it by making a curve. So this basically is the half armhole of the off-shoulder dress. Then I'm gonna take these two different pieces that we cut for the fabric, fold them in half, and then I'm gonna measure 3 inches from the top of the fabrics, and I'm gonna make a curve like this, joining from the midpoint to the 3 inches below the fabric. So that little curve is our another half armhole for the sleeve. Now I'm gonna separate the two sleeves and join it at the sides and interlock it. Then I'm gonna take the sleeves and join it from the armhole, connecting it to the top up to the straight part of both the top and sleeves. So that's how it looks like after joining the sleeves. Now I'm gonna cut some excess unbalanced fabric and make it a clean cut shape at the neckline. Now it's time to install an elastic. So I'm going to take 1-inch elastic and wrap it around my shoulder. So guys, carefully notice how I am wrapping the elastic on my shoulder line. It should not create any bulk on the sides, otherwise it will seem too much uncomfortable. So wrap it around your shoulder, measure it and cut the elastic. Then I'm gonna join the elastic and make it a circle. Now before installing it to the top, I'm just gonna interlock all the raw edges of the top. Then I'm gonna take the top and mark midpoint at the sides of the sleeves and then front and back of the body. Similarly, I'm gonna mark 4 midpoints or 4 identical points at the elastic as well and join them. Then I'm gonna join the elastic to the top of the fabric by connecting them to the points and pinning them at the moment, and then I'm gonna give a straight stitch to the elastic by stretching the elastic. After the initial installation of the elastic, I'm gonna fold it over inside and give a stretch stitch by stretching it again, and then our top is done for good.
Thank you so much, Renu, for this beautiful top. And I'm totally in love with this top. And this is totally my style. I said, girly, style. This is new style. It's so beautiful. I can wear it 2 ways. Also, can I show it? I can wear it like this as well. So definitely go subscribe Renu's channel. See always give away after fans haruलाई pani ule गरिदिन्छ यस्तो हैन उले उसको सोशल मिडियामा पनि अपडेट रहनु त्यसको लागि चाहिँ सो मेरो च्यानललाई पनि माया गरिदिनु होला उले लिंक डिस्क्रिप्सनहरुमा राखिदिन्छ हैन So it was really great to work with you, Renu. Thank you so much for having me.